DNA on a bank receipt is at the center of a convicted killer's fight for a new trial. That effort took on new urgency this last month when a now disgraced state analyst pleaded guilty to perjury. Kevin Vaughn from our 9 News Investigates team looks at how her manipulation of data could undo a life sentence.
When Jefferson County prosecutors took Ryan Hicks to trial in 2014, they argued to the jury that DNA tied him to the murder of his housemate, David Noren. That included Noren's DNA on Hicks's right shoe and Hicks's DNA on shoes found in Clear Creek County near Noren's body. That DNA work was done by Yvonne Missy Woods, who spent 3 decades with the Colorado Bureau of Investigation.
Forgery, how do you plead guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Woods' career ended in disgrace, and she's now a convicted felon. That admitted forgery was in Hicks's trial.
Judges believed her, prosecutors believed her, even defense attorneys believed her, and certainly juries believed her when they convicted based on what we now know is a career marked with fraud.
Attorney Josiah Cohen is fighting to get Hicks a new trial. Here's why. CBI's own investigation found that Woods manipulated the quantities of male DNA found on an ATM receipt. That receipt was discovered in a pocket of a jacket owned by Noren that Hicks was wearing. Then she wrote a report saying there was no DNA on that piece of paper.
She was willing to lie about it in report. She was willing to go so far as to say this sample had no male DNA, when in fact it absolutely did have DNA.
The first step for Cohen is fighting to get the Jeffco DA's office to turn over all the documents and evidence in the case. The fight, though, is really about timing. The DA's office said in its most recent court filing that it would produce the records once Missy Woods is sentenced. That's set for September 8th. Cohen wants the documents now.
One day would be too much time to spend behind bars on a sentence that was handed down that was secured through benefiting from forensic fraud.
A spokeswoman for the Jeffco DA's office told us this afternoon that Missy Woods' case remains open and that office can't turn over anything until that sentencing hearing in September. In terms of the motion filed by Hicks's attorney, no hearings have been scheduled, and it's not clear how soon a judge could rule. It's also not clear how soon Hicks's attorney could file another motion seeking a new trial. Reporting in the newsroom, Kevin Vaughn, 9 News.